Hi, I'm Deha 174183. Our last topic is harmful effect of under and overdoing physical fitness. So when we talk about physical fitness, there will be a trend nowadays that people will overdoing the physical fitness. So they are divided into two: underdoing or overdoing. We are supposed to be constantly doing, not be under or over. So the harmful effect on the underdoing, firstly, our muscle will be atrophy or does not increase in size, maintain their size, and sometimes we can cause accumulations of fat around the body, and also the harmful effect of underdoing physical fitness, whereby we can get the cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and also we always feel fatigue on doing on doing a small thing or a job. So the harmful effect on the overdoing physical fitness is, firstly, if you're not matching your muscle or prepare your muscle before you are going to do the physical fitness toughly, you not warm up your muscle, you can cause the muscle tear and rupture. The muscle tear and rupture can cause a really long time to recover. Then secondly, you can become an abnormal person, that is your muscle become hypertrophy, like a bodybuilder. They are actually abnormal because their muscle is hypertrophy. And next, also we can, if we overdoing the physical fitness, we change our body metabolism, our body functions, such as we need high amount of protein nutrient to cope up with our job, our fitness doing. I think that's all I can conclude about this topic. By the way, thank you so much and bye.